Welcome. Who would like to start? I think A, Abhay. I'm looking at A for Abhay. Abhay Jain is there. I'll ask him. Can you speak within 1 minute? You have to unmute yourself. Speak out in 1 minute. Welcome. Yes.
Afternoon,
Yeah.
sir.
Welcome.
Sir, my business idea is based on organic farming.
Welcome. Yes.
Sir, I have planned for a organic farm. I have
Yeah.
30 acres of land in which
Very good.
I'm going to start with fruits and vegetables. Fruits
Yes.
such as we have kiwi trees,
Yeah.
and we'll be starting with vegetables which are grown in rainwater. So we are nearby monsoon. So
Yes.
we have started the plowing of the land, and we'll soon sow the seeds.
Mhm.
And we are working with fully organic methods of agriculture. We are not using any fertilizers or chemical fertilizers. We are only using organic manure and fertilizers produced
Yes.
by cow dung and
Yes.
earthworm.
Please get it certified also later on, certified as organic crop, so that
Yes, sir.
it will be
We are
easier for
working
you
on
to get good
we
price.
are working
Yes,
on the certification and
yes,
authentication. We have registered our. We are in process of registering our firm.
yes. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next person. Yes, A for Aditya. Aditya, would you like to speak?
Yes, sir. Very good afternoon, sir.
Welcome.
Yeah. So basically, my idea is based upon two SDGs, that is quality of education and affordable energies and renewable
Yes,
energies. So
yes,
basically, sir, nowadays quality education आजकल हर एक पर्सन को नहीं मिल रही है. बेसिकली कहीं लोग ऐसे होते हैं, उनको मतलब वो टेक्नोलॉजीज का पता भी नहीं लगता है, उनको इंट्रोडक्शन भी नहीं होता है. तो उनको वो
हाँ,
चीज और लोग बोलते हैं कि हमको वो चीज अच्छी नहीं लगी. बेसिकली इनको वो चीज इंट्रोडक्शन ही नहीं होती ड्यू टू हाई
हाँ,
कॉस्ट एंड मेनी अदर रीजंस. तो सर
राइट,
बेसिकली मैंने और हमारी मेरी कम्युनिटी है, हमने एक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड लिया है. बेसिकली हम काफी सारे जूनियर्स को लाइक मशीन लर्निंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, जो हायर एंड
हाँ, हाँ,
टेक्नोलॉजीज है, हम वो सब उनको
हाँ,
अवेलेबल करते हैं एट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, सर.
वेरी गुड.
हाँ. एंड सर उसके हम जैसे मार्केटिंग हो गई, लाइक फॉर एमबीएस वगैरह के लिए आपको क्या चीजें करनी है, हम उनका बताते हैं,
हाँ,
मार्केट वगैरह का हम खुद स्टडी
हाँ,
करते हैं, उनको खुद सिखाते हैं, सर. और सर
बहुत
उसको
बढ़िया.
हम अच्छे से लिंक करा है अफोर्डेबल एनर्जी से. लाइक सर
हाँ,
आने वाले टाइम पे जो अभी हमारे पास नॉन रिन्यूएबल सोर्स है वो एग्जॉस्ट होने वाले हैं बहुत जल्दी.
हाँ,
बट
हाँ,
सर अगर हम उसको रिन्यूएबल सोर्स पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, लाइक अगर भारतीय कंपनीज हम देखें, टेस्ला वगैरह, दे आर वर्किंग
हाँ,
ऑन सोलर कार्स एंड सोलर इंजन्स एंड ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स. So
yes,
we are researching on solar cars that can be used in India and made by in India only.
yes,
So sir, that the forces which we are teaching them, the things like artificial intelligence, machine learning, they can also
yeah,
contribute in that cars and help us to develop that this big technologies.
very good, excellent.
So yeah, so this is my business idea, sir. Like to convert the things which are using the renewable energies, non-renewable energies to that they use renewable energies, and
Excellent
we are already
idea.
working on, sir.
एक्सीलेंट आइडिया. अभी 2 दिन बाद में ही हम लोग एक गेस्ट को बुलाएंगे.
Sure,
वो
sir.
जयपुर के अंदर
हाँ,
इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल की फैक्ट्री स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, और
okay,
साथ में ही उन्होंने इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल की ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग शुरू कर रखी है, हाउ टू
okay,
प्रिपेयर इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल्स. तो
okay, sir.
उसकी वो ट्रेनिंग ऑल ओवर इंडिया प्रोवाइड करते हैं वो अभी रेगुलरली. तो
Okay,
future is of this industry, obviously
sure.
electrical
Yeah, sir.
vehicles and these things that we are talking
Yes,
about. तो वो किस तरह से ये काम कर रहे हैं, उनको भी
yes,
आप
sir.
समझिएगा, सुनिएगा. अभी 2 दिन बाद
बिल्कुल,
होगा, आप उसको जरूर
बिल्कुल, sir.
अटेंड करिएगा इस सेशन को. और
बिल्कुल, sir.
उनके बिजनेस प्लान में क्या कमियां हैं, क्या अच्छाइयां
बिल्कुल,
हैं,
sir.
दोनों चीजें देखिएगा. क्योंकि आप
बिल्कुल,
अपने
बिल्कुल,
बिजनेस
sir.
प्लान बनाते हैं तो दूसरों के बिजनेस प्लान से आपको बेहतर मिलता है, समझने को मिलता है.
Yeah, sir.
तो
That.
तो उनका बिजनेस वही है जो आपका बिजनेस है, लगभग वैसा ही है. तो आप उनको समझिएगा. वो
Yeah, yeah.
काफी काफी लोगों को ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल बनाने के अंदर, 2 व्हीलर इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल और दूसरे व्हीकल्स, और उन्हीं को अपने आप बाद में एम्प्लॉयमेंट करेंगे। और अभी इस साल 1.5 साल में उनकी फैक्ट्री चालू हो जाएगी इलेक्ट्रिकल
Okay.
व्हीकल की जयपुर में। तो आई विल इनवाइट हिम एंड यू शुड अटेंड दिस सेशन।
Sure,
वेरी
sir.
गुड
Sure.
आइडिया।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू आदित्य, थैंक यू।
Thank you.
नेक्स्ट पर्सन, यस, ए फॉर अनन्या, वुड यू लाइक टू स्पीक?
Yes, sir.
या वेलकम।
Yes, sir. So my idea, like my business idea is called Wormy Post. So the idea is based on two goals: non-poverty and climate action. So
Yes.
basically, sir, we are using vermicompost, which is जो earthworms, अगर हम उसको organic waste पे डालते हैं तो वो खाते हैं, और फिर उसके बाद उसके अंदर अपना when they decompose the whole matter, it contains some essential nutrients which acts a natural fertilizer for soil. So as I said कि ये काफी सस्ता है, मतलब it to be implemented, because we don't need much. We need a bed which we call like vermicompost bed, and वहाँ पे एक incline पे हमें उसको डालना होता है, और उस पे हम सारा organic waste डालते हैं और उसके अंदर थोड़े worms डाल देते हैं, और उसके बाद फिर वो compost ready हो जाता है in 45 to 50 days. And then we can market it in places which uses organic vegetables बना रहे हैं आजकल घर पे लोग, और गार्डनिंग में भी बहुत यूज होता है, तो ये सब के लिए तो इससे एक हम पॉवर्टी कंट्रोल करें, बिकॉज जो वर्कर्स हैं, जो फार्मर्स हैं, उनके साइड बाय साइड बिजनेस ये भी चल सकती है कि वो अपने फार्म में भी यूज कर ले, और फिर उसके बाद इसको और फर्दर मार्केट भी कर सके। और क्लाइमेट एक्शन इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि ये नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर है, तो फिर हार्मफुल केमिकल्स वगैरह नहीं डाल रहे, तो हमारी पोल्यूशन बहुत ड्रास्टिकली डाउन होती है। प्लस इट विल बी लाइक सारे मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स सब एक साथ काम कर सकते हैं इस पे काफ़ी एफिशिएंटली। तो ये था मेरा आइडिया सर।
It's a excellent idea, very good idea, and probably if you can have some contracts with some goshalas, they
Yes,
can
sir. Yes, sir.
help you in providing cow dung, and because you
Yes, sir.
need
Furniture
cow dung in
or
bulk.
yes, sir.
And
And sir, also we
yeah.
were thinking like we can have a small website kind of thing, as I'm a CSE student, so I can
Yes.
make one website on my own. So
Yes.
I can take it and market on there, and like ship it like kg wise, like we'll have some bar
Yes.
ki itna kg lena minimum hai, and then you can have it at your home shipped. So it'll be a
Yes.
very approachable for the user.
Yes, it's a very good idea, excellent idea, and definitely tried and tested, and viable business model. And the government of India is now giving a big boost. In fact, अभी जो गवर्नमेंट की जो पॉलिसी आई है उसमें जो पशुपालन से संबंधित गवर्नमेंट ने 15,000 करोड़ रुपए का एलोकेशन किया है, that is for this kind of businesses only. So if somebody establishes any business which is directly related to cow rearing or animal rearing, there are huge incentive support, financial support for this kind of business plans. So really very good plan. Coming back to Aditya, can you hear me? Yes, Aditya, are you able to hear me? Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
थोड़ा net
Aditya,
disconnection था.
no problem. I will send you the mobile
Yes.
number of Mr. Gatani. Gatani
Okay.
is the entrepreneur who
Okay.
is starting this electric vehicle company, and
Okay.
you be a host. You invite him maybe after 2 days or after 3 days, giving him some time to prepare at 2:30
Okay.
p.m. in our class online.
Okay.
So I'll send him his number. That will help him. And you also invite some of your classmates of mechanicals, because mechanical and electrical students will be very much benefited from his interaction. About because future of electrical vehicle will be primarily designed and developed by mechanical and electrical engineers. So you invite your classmates also in that discussion. So let's keep it after 2-3 days. I'll send you the numbers. You can host him after 2 or 3 days, whenever it is convenient. Yes.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Next in our classes is Nitesh Phagna. Would you like to? Your name is starting with N, so you will come later. Let me then check it out. Anybody else in between who is there with A? Nobody else is there with A. Next to you only. Yes, Nitesh, would you like to give your business, discuss about your business idea? Nitesh. Nitesh Fagna, can you listen me? Nitesh, क्या आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? Not able to listen.
Hello.
हाँ नितेश, yes. Are you having proper internet connection? क्या आप बोल सकेंगे? अपने आइडिया को सुना पाएंगे? Or having any difficulty?
Sir, network issue is there.
Network problem, no problem.
Hello.
Okay. Yes, so you can try later on if you get good network connectivity, no problem.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, no problem. I'll try.
Yes, sir.
Ritesh, next person is Ritesh Chaudhary. Would you like to speak? Ritesh Chaudhary.
Hello.
Yes, would you like to speak?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, my business idea was about this SDG goal of providing quality education to all. So,
Yeah.
sir, like what I have seen these days in this COVID-19 lockdown is that,
Yeah.
like, for example, we all are staying at our homes, and our college is providing this online classes, and we have these online platforms to study from, Coursera and edX and
Yeah.
all those kind of things.
Yes.
So, because of that, our education is not stopping anywhere. But
Yeah.
what I felt is like there is another section of people who are the physically disabled ones, like the ones who cannot see and who cannot hear. So they have their blind schools and the schools for the deaf. But what about the thing when we all are in lockdown? How are they managing to study? They cannot study with using online platforms right now. We do not have that much of service presently in India. So I, being a computer science student, in future maybe I want to really do this. Is like I want to develop an online platform where where like just like Coursera and edX, we can bring professors who actually teach to these blind students and who are deaf in one platform where like somehow maybe using text to speech translation is like so that if they cannot see the screen, so we can make it like an audio service or like a podcast service from which they can also gain education just like us, and their education never gets impacted. So we can develop an online platform for that. So that is like one idea that I feel that really needs to be implemented.
Excellent idea. Great idea. Ritesh,
And so,
what?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Welcome. Continue.
Yeah, so I have one more idea that I have felt is necessary during this lockdown itself. Is like we have this SDG goal of providing food to all. We are seeing that these days there are a lot of migrant laborers moving every day, and like I'm seeing the news like Sonu Sood and other celebrities and many people are actually
doing very good
helping
work.
them. They are doing really good work of making them go their homes. But so what I felt is like these migrant laborers are just moving endlessly, and they are so much in debt, and they just have no money for food, for clothing and other things, that they can even afford quality food, and they can just move. So what I felt is like somewhere we as citizens, like I want to do this again maybe in near future. Like I have seen one foundation like Hemkant Foundation. They are doing this thing is like they are providing food from fundraising events, and they are providing food to these laborers and everywhere like that. So what I felt is like, so we can implement something like for example, like we all are privileged people. We all have regular meals every day, 3 times a day. So what I feel is like I should make an organization in near future that somewhere it's like we families, each and every family could provide one additional meal. We can just cook for one additional meal, and we can engage some volunteers from outside, and like who can deliver this one meal that we make extra to the migrant laborers. So it's not even it's a big loss for us, but it's really a big gain for them.
Very good.
That is something if something small from our side we are doing, it can happen on a big scale for them.
Yes.
So those are like these ideas I feel we should implement.
Yeah, for the first idea, that is regarding
Yeah.
blind people and physically challenged people, I will be inviting Dr. Pramod, who is actively working with Sight Savers India. Earlier, he had worked with Blind People Association. Now he's working with Sight Savers India. So I'll be inviting him and I'll ask you, in fact, I'll transfer his numbers to you. You be his host in, after 2 or 3 days, whenever it is convenient. He will discuss more about how he is spreading eye care all over India. So we will invite him in our sessions, maybe in next week sometimes. So his interaction will definitely help you also, and you can prepare a list of few questions. You can share those questions to Mr. Pramod in advance, so that he can ponder on those questions and discuss about those questions regarding the possibilities of how we can have a better technology for educating the people with physical disabilities. So this will be a very good idea for our class discussion also. So Ritesh,
So what
I'll
did you
send
say
you.
about Sight Saver? What is Sight Saver actually?
Sight Saver is an organization which is working to help those people who don't have eyesight. So Sight Savers try to help them. So
Okay.
it is trying to help the blind people. So Dr. Pramod has earlier worked with Blind People Association. Now he's working with Sight Savers. So his passion, his goal of life is to help the blind people. That is his mission of life. So
Okay.
interaction with him, and you can give him some questions to ponder, on which he can analyze and discuss in our class after maybe 2 or 3 days, and that will help us all substantial.
Definitely.
Very good idea.
Definitely.
Thank you, Ritesh. Next,
Thank you, sir.
yes, next one is Rohan. Can you speak something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Sir, good afternoon to all. The name of my organization is SolarEdge. SolarEdge is an renewable energy startup which aims
Yeah.
at providing solar-powered electric materials like solar cells, chargers, panels, etc., aiming to
Yeah.
support the sustainable development in India, thereby helping India and the world to get a cleaner and a safer environment. We strongly believe when a group of passionate people work together to achieve something common, they make
Yes.
the world a better place to live in. Our sole purpose, that is our vision and mission, is to turn India into a hub of renewable energy. By this,
Yes.
we mean that in the next 10 years, we'll be making India self-sustainable in energy sector by expanding our business, which would initially be focused on providing general public with solar energy products, thus reducing the consumption of non-renewable sources of energy.
Yes.
Our strength, the main strength is our incredibly large market. Even that like the big business conglomerates, the big industrialists like Reliance, would
Yes.
us, and that is our biggest advantage here. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Excellent idea. Very good. Actually, in the field of solar, volume is very necessary to bring down the cost per unit. And therefore,
Yes.
you have hit upon the right idea, because India's large market size will enable us to go for large scale production and bring down the costs per unit. If the cost per unit
Yeah.
is brought down substantially, the project becomes viable and profitable also. Thereafter, the government subsidy can also help, and people can think about investing in solar sector. Private sector can substantially invest in solar sector if it becomes economically viable and profitable. Very good idea.
Yeah.
Next is
No, I have
Ankit
one
Swami.
doubt. I have a doubt.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Welcome.
So actually,
Ask.
I'm working on another. I am working on another idea. It's not basically, fulfilling all the SDGs. So,
Yeah.
and I am about that idea. Can I text you regarding it if I have any doubts? Not now, but
Yes. Yes. You can bring
okay.
those ideas tomorrow also, because probably
Okay, sir.
our class
It's
will be there
actually
tomorrow
related
after
to
2:30.
augmented. Yeah, it's related to augmented reality.
Yes, yes, you can bring tomorrow.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Swami,
Yes.
Ankit Swami, can you bring your idea? If you're able to hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Sir, I'm from law background, so and I've seen many village. I've been to many villages, and I've seen that there are several people that they don't know their rights and the laws, the basic laws and the basic
Yeah.
rights. So I was thinking that what should we do? What should I do for this? The people are illiterate in some of the areas,
Yes.
so I have to do something for them. So I started a legal aid clinic.
Yes.
So in that, uh, we try to help the people who are living in rural areas. They
Yeah.
don't who don't know their laws, the basic laws and their basic rights. We make them aware of their basic rights. So
Yeah.
I've started this legal aid clinic and to help the needed people, the people who lives in villages or rural areas, and
Yes.
they don't know much about their rights. So this is our main objective, to make them aware about their rights, that they have a few human rights, and there are several organizations and to protect them from the injustice they are going through in the in some places of India. And they think that they cannot do anything about that, and they will have to face this. But no, we have to make them aware. So that is why I have started this legal aid clinic. And because they are suffering, and this and if anything happens with them, they anything unlawful happens with them, they don't speak up. They
Yes.
just sit quiet in their homes, and they don't speak up about that. So
Yeah.
they that's what we are doing. We are making them understand that you have to raise their voices
Yeah.
against the injustice and the unlawful things
Yeah.
there are happening in the rural areas or any places. And we have done many field visits, and
Yes.
we have started some campaigns, and we are going to the nearby villages and make take and we are making aware the people of the villages that we are here to help you guys. And in that campaign we uh, try to like
Yes.
we just make them aware about their rights. And so
Yes.
so this is like
Excellent
the
idea. In fact, this for this kind of idea, there would be
yes sir.
plenty of CSR funding available. Corporate
Yes sir.
social responsibility funding will be available in plenty, and
Okay sir.
if you can create, a brand name having
Okay sir.
this kind of legal aid centers all over the country in all
Yeah,
important,
it's just I've
small
just
towns,
started this. I will be
villages.
working on that.
Yes. So this can become a very important organization, and
Yes
you
sir.
can use franchisee model, or you can use other forms of business models while designing the complete business model. When
Yes sir.
it can become self-sustaining, there will be lot of funding available, lot of recognition available, lot of awards will be there for good work, because this
Yes sir.
legal awareness is of prime importance in our country, and
Yes
it
sir.
is
It
going
is
to
very
be
important to
it is
everybody
very,
should be having.
very good idea, and especially explaining people in local language what is the
Yeah,
law, the essentials of
that's
law,
what we are
because
doing.
law is
We are help.
so difficult, most people are not able to understand it, and therefore they
Yeah,
fall trap.
and some people don't want to understand anything. So we have to like please listen to us. We have to make them understand. That's difficult, but
Yes,
we are doing.
very good idea, excellent idea. You can work about on it. Yes, next person we have in our discussion today is nobody else is there. Yes. So with that, we end the class today. And I think Nitesh has left out today. Nitesh, you can give your presentation tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. All those who have given the presentation today uh, have done very good. Many, many congratulations. Keep on working on these ideas. You have good ideas.
Yes sir. Thank you.
And
So
I have
sorry sir, we can't hear you.